Hi everybody, I'm Lex and welcome to an update on my Greek Gods Project Pan. This is a project I made myself where I made a list of 100 prompts based around different Greek gods. I have been rolling in 3 prompts at a time and just slowly working through them based on the descriptions I made for each prompt. So, let's start with an item I haven't used very much at all. I have the Glow Milk from the Beauty Crop, and this is so tiny I thought I would set a 50 use goal on it and be able to maybe use it up. But I have so many highlights and things going on in different projects that I haven't really had a chance to touch this at all. I've used it once in the last month, meaning I've only used it 3 times overall. That still leaves me with 47 uses to go, so this is going to be staying in for probably the long haul, you know. Then in my Z palette I have this little brown shade that I've been working on. I rolled this in for Celine, which is a circular product, and you can see there is a bit of a dip forming, but I haven't hit pan yet. My goal was 30 uses or pan, and I still have 6 uses left to go on that. I just need to remember to reach for it, because it's in my Z palette and it's in my stack of palettes that I have on my side table. I don't tend to remember that it's in there and that it's a nice neutral colour for maybe work or something. One thing that I have reached my goal on is my Technic Conceal and Blend, which is very old, and it got rolled in for Poseidon, which is a broken item or broken packaging. This one's missing a lid and it's cracked and it's gross and it's terrible. But I wanted to use this 50 times, and I have, and I think I've made some good progress on it, to be honest. A lot of this is just the plastic packaging. I will scrape it out and everything, but I thought it might be unusable with how old it is, and it was very dry, but as soon as I started using it, that sort of top layer of dryness went, and it is still a nice creamy product underneath all that, so that was nice. I rolled that in for 50 uses, and I've now reached all of those uses, so I decided to roll a new product in. My new prompt was the Cyclopes, and that is just any single eyeshadow. So I have this metallic eyeshadow from PS, which is the Primark brand, in the shade Warm Chocolate, and this isn't one I reach for a lot. It doesn't really have a ton of progress on it. I have rolled this in for 30 uses or pan, and I've only used it once so far. It's not a very nice colour. It's called Warm Chocolate, and it looks, well, it looks kind of neutral to warm in the pan. But as soon as I put it on my lid, it's a very sort of cool-toned greyish brown, and I never expect that, and I don't really know what to do with it. I've only used it once so far. I'll probably only use it as a deepening out shade in my crease when I use a lighter colour on my lid. Probably gonna cover it in gold eyeshadow, to be honest, but I want to get some use on it and maybe hit pan, because I've never hit pan on a PS eyeshadow and I own quite a few of them. But also, I don't want anything to be neglected in my collection, so I'll either use it enough to know that I don't like it and I want to declutter it, or I will just use it enough to find a way to use it that works for me. So yes, thank you so much for joining me. This was just a little quick update, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!